Have you ever seen Bluey meet a real queen? Tonight it happens. Bluey gasps, "Bingo, wake up, the royal carriage is here." Bingo jumps a carriage at our house. Dad runs out wearing pajamas. He shouts, "What is going on?" Mom points, "Look at that shiny crown in the window." The carriage door creaks open. Out steps the queen herself. She smiles and waves. Bluey whispers, "Bingo, this is huge." The queen says, "I need brave helpers tonight. Will you join me?" Bluey yells, "Yes." Bingo squeaks, "Yes." Dad scratches his head, "Are we dreaming?" The queen claps and poof! A giant chessboard appears in the yard. She declares first royal challenge. Cross the board without waking the statues. Bluey tiptoes. Bingo follows. Suddenly one statue twitches. Bingo gasps, "It moved." Bluey grabs her paw, "Run." They dash across as the statue roars but freeze when the queen shouts, "Stop." The statues bow. The queen laughs, "You passed." Dad sighs, "My heart cannot take this." But wait! The queen lifts her wand. A glowing gate rises. She says, "Second challenge. Find the lost jewel hidden in my garden." Bluey dives into bushes. Bingo crawls under flowers. Mom digs with a spoon. Dad sneezes, "Achoo." Suddenly Bingo holds up a sparkling gem. She shouts, "Found it." The queen claps, "Well done." But the ground shakes. A giant frog leaps out. It croaks, "Final challenge. Make me laugh or I eat the jewel." Bluey gulps. Bingo whispers, "Tell a joke fast." Dad blurts, "Why did the kangaroo skip dinner?" "Because it was already stuffed." The frog croaks louder, then bursts into giggles. Everyone cheers. The jewel glows. The queen places it on her crown. She says, "You have proven worthy." Bluey bows. Bingo bows. Mom and Dad cheer. The queen waves her wand. A royal feast appears with cakes and juice. Bluey shouts, "Best night ever." The queen smiles, "Remember this adventure, little ones." Want to see more magic with Bluey and Bingo? Smash like and subscribe so you never miss the next royal twist.